everybody, and welcome to this haul video. So I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale, and then I'm going to be sharing with you a couple things that my sister Trina and my boyfriend Ricardo picked up for me. I got some really bad news last week, work-wise. I still have a job, thank God, and had nothing to do with my performance because I'd like to say I'm a really good employee. You know, I go above and beyond and I work hard, but you know, things are just out of our control. So something happened and I'm grateful that I have a job. But I was super depressed, and Ricardo surprised me with a makeup palette, and then I went to my sister's house today. She surprised me with 2 makeup things, and I was just like, and it's not the palettes that make me feel better, it's just the gesture, and you know that I'm surrounded with people that really support me and want me to be happy. So it's gonna make me cry all over again. It just kind of put things in perspective for me. I'm happy that I do have a job, my family's healthy, and I'm just surrounded by really great people. So I'm gonna start off with those 3 things first. I am not organized by any means, so this video might be a little bit of a mess, but what's new? Let's start off with what Ricardo got for me. I feel really bad for him because I literally didn't do anything all last week. I didn't clean. I barely cleaned the cat boxes. I'm so sorry, babies. You know, they're fine. I cleaned the cat boxes, but I barely did anything. Like, all I wanted to do was sleep. But he showed up. He showed up. He was like, I'm going to go get us food, even though I wasn't eating. And he came back with the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes eyeshadow palette. I had been dying for this palette, and honestly guys, I'm really trying to save up my money. I'm trying to use all my old palettes. If you guys haven't noticed, a lot of my tutorials are with older palettes, and that's okay with me. Like, I really got to use the makeup that I have, but I'm so happy that he bought this. It's gorgeous. I'll have close-ups and everything, but I'm super excited to use this. I think this is really fun. I think this is something different for Urban Decay. And at first when I saw this, I was like, but then as I kept seeing pictures, I was like, I think I need that palette. So yeah, I'm so excited to use it. I'm probably gonna try and film a tutorial tomorrow. The packaging is so cool. So that's the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Not a part of the VIB sale, but you know, as I mentioned, thank you Ricardo so much. And then today when I went to my sister's house, she was like, here you go, these 2 things are for you. She got the, I gotta Google how to say this. Hold on guys, I'm sorry. I was on such a good roll, but I don't even know how to say her name. All right guys, I'm back. I had to change my battery, so if I'm a little shifted, that's why. But I did some Googling. Mariale, I think. As you guys can tell, I don't watch her or anything, but she's gorgeous. Her makeup is beautiful. And anytime a YouTuber, whether I watch them or not, but you know, anytime a YouTuber or like a social media person has a collab, I'm always so happy. You know, that makes me really happy. So I'm super happy for her. She's gorgeous. This palette is beautiful. I have it on my eyes, if you couldn't tell. And as you guys already know, I love Too Faced. They're, you know, it's one of my favorite brands. I think they did a great job. It's beautiful. It's very like Valentine's Day-ish, but I also think it could be very fallish too, and like holiday. Gorgeous palette. I used a lot of shades. I didn't use all of them, but I used a lot of shades. I do feel like I have maybe all of these shades in other Too Faced palettes. I don't think these are like unique shades that she, you know, created. In my opinion, I could be wrong. It's just, I swear I have this color, I have this color, I have this. It's just, I don't know. Either way, beautiful palettes. I love the way it performed on my eyes. When I was done, I was like, damn, this eyeshadow, I love it. I love it. So it is overall really pretty palette. Again, super happy for Mariale, and maybe I'll watch some of her videos. My sister also surprised me. Again, I told you guys I was not prepared. She surprised me with, and I saw this and I was like, oh, I'm buying it. It is the Tarte High Performance Naturals. What is this called exactly? Blush Authority Amazonian Clay Cheek Wardrobe. It's 9 new shades. Wow, these are brand new shades. I didn't even read that the last time. So hold on, let me open this up and let me show you. By the way, guys, this is $35. You're getting 9 Tarte blushes. I think it's a great deal. So I've already taken this out like 3 times, so I don't remember the order that it came in. But You open it up, you open the top up, and then this little quad, in my opinion, it's a highlighter, a peachy blush, and like a peachy bronzy blush. Love this. And you guys know I love my blush palettes. So this is like a dream for me. I don't know how I'm gonna store this, but I'll think of something, don't worry. This one, you flip up, you also have a little highlighter, like a mocha-ish blush, and then a bronzer. And then this one, you have a shimmery blush. Everything else has been matte other than the highlighters that I was showing you, like the top ones. This is like a kind of like, what is that? Like almost like a peachy pinky blush. And then this is more like a pinky mauve-y blush. I'm probably describing these all wrong, but you know, this is my channel, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with it. I love it. I have on this one, I believe, today, because I feel like it went with the eyes. I really, really like how this performed so far, so I'm super excited. Blush palettes are my jam, so I love this. I love this, and it was a very, very sweet gesture, and like I said, guys, I'm probably gonna cry again during this video, but I absolutely love this, and I'm so excited to keep using it. I can definitely see myself using this like every day, every time I do my makeup, so thank you. Also, if you see this on my neck, it's not a hickey. I burned the crap out of my neck when I was curling my hair. It's nice and scabby, so not a hickey, just, you know, a scab. Sephora VIB. So I feel like I should have picked up more stuff because we never get 20% off, but I didn't. Whatever. I wanted to buy a new perfume. I have like my tried and true perfume. I wear it all the time, but I want to, you know, switch it up. I went to Ulta and I swear I smelled this exact perfume and I was like, this is what I want. I'm gonna wait for the Sephora sale. So I bought the perfume, but this is not the one that I smelled at all at Ulta. So I'm gonna go back and smell it because that one I loved. This one, it's the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love Daze. And this one is good, don't get me wrong. It does smell really good and it's sweet. I just think it's not my style. This is I think it's too fruity for me. I like more of fruity and fresh, like a clean scent. I'm still gonna keep it. It could be like a perfume that I wear to work, you know, every day. And then we are moving along. So this was recommended. I don't want you guys to keep seeing my fat arms, so hold on. Next product is a highlighter by Benefit. It's Cookie. And this was recommended to me by my friend Michelle. She was like, you're gonna love this. And let me tell you, I love it. This is like an intense highlighter. Do you see my nose? Do you see my cheeks? I really, really like it, guys. It is like, wowee. Do you see that? Even from here, you'll see this from a mile away. So I love this highlighter. I'm super excited to keep using it. And then also another recommendation from my friend. This is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Perfect Tan Bronzer. I had to get Tantric. I wanted Fantastic or whatever, but they were sold out. This one actually worked really well. I have it on today as a bronzer. I think I mentioned it in my current faves and nays video that my face was like in rare form. My face was in rare form, and then I got a facial 2 days ago, or was it yesterday? I don't even know. And she like really, I thought my face was going to fall off. She extracted a ton. So my face is again in rare form. So, you know, if my makeup looks a little weird, I think that's fine. But with that being said, the bronzer looks really, really good. It's a good color. It's not patchy, and I really like it. So I'm happy that I bought it. And this was on sale. This was on sale. So I didn't pay full price, and plus I got my 20% off. So I got a deal on this. And then I got the NARS Creamy Concealer, right? That's what it's called, Radiant Creamy Concealer. I used this like a really long time ago before my tried and true Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer came out. I'm just really worried about brands discontinuing their products because I fell in love with so many foundations and now they're discontinued. So I'm like, if by any chance this gets discontinued, the Too Faced concealer, I need a backup. And I'm wearing the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer today. It looks really good. I don't look wrinkly. I don't look dry at all. So I think it's safe to say that this is, oh wow, it looks really good, guys. I think this is actually, it's safe to say that this is gonna be my backup. So that's really good. I'm in the shade Vanilla. I think this is the last thing that I bought. It is the Huda Beauty Khaki Haze palette KHAKI Haze Obsessions. It's this little guy. I honestly thought these palettes were a little bit bigger. Like, this is tiny, but hey, whatever. You guys know I like green eyeshadow, like greeny, goldy, more like olivey tones. And I saw this and I was like, okay. Now, when I opened it up, I was like, you know, there could have been a little bit more green in here. Now that I'm looking, I'm like, this is the only green. It's still, oh wow. Wow, this is the first time I'm swatching. Wow, this is like a olivey, browny, kind of like dirty color. I don't know what I'm saying at this point, guys, but it's really pretty. I like it. And the shimmers, oh my god, why? Oh my god, this one is duochrome. It's like pinky gold, I think. Oh yes. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm excited. So yeah, I picked up this little palette. If you guys want to see a tutorial, I'm probably going to do one anyway because I just like doing tutorials, you know, eyeshadow tutorials. I think that's all that I have to share with you guys today. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means a lot to me. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I know from me, you guys like the quick, fast tutorials, but if there's anything else that's, you know, I don't know, interesting, let me know. I will definitely film it for you guys. I would love to. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.